when the noise fades out, when my strength is gone and I'm filled with doubt. You are near, I can feel you breathe. In the stillness, you're restoring me. No more hiding, no more running away. You see my heart and still you stay. Every broken piece, every scar I hide, you hold it all, you stand by my side. Hey, have your way, have your way. Take it all, Lord, I pray.
Every fear, every shame,
let it bow in Jesus' name. Have your way,
have your way.
I surrender, here I stay. Not my will, but yours alone.
Make my heart your holy throne.
I am yours completely,
Nothing held back now.
all I have,
All I have,
all I have.
all I have.
I lay it down, I lay it down.
Stay with me,
Stay with me,
stay with me.
Lord, don't pass me by. Wewe ni mwamba wangu, sitaogopa. Katika dhoruba wewe ni ngao. Umeninua kutoka mavumbini, sasa naimba sifa zako Bwana.
Hakuna kama wewe milele yote, uaminifu wako haupungui. Kila siku naona mkono wako ukifanya njia pasipo na njia.
Unastahili sifa,
Bwana wangu,
ninakupenda milele yote. Nitaimba jina lako juu,
Yesu wewe ni Bwana.
nitakutangaza kwa mataifa, nitainua jina lako juu. Hakuna mwingine kama wewe, hakuna mwingine kama wewe.
Wewe ni Mungu,
Milele,
wewe ni Mungu,
milele,
wewe ni Mungu,
milele,
wewe ni Mungu.
milele. Hey! Hey! Brrpa, 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 hey! Through the fire and through the rain, you have never changed. Every promise that you made still remains the same. When my world is shaking and my faith is breaking, you are still my rock. Hey! You are still my song. You are God, you are King.
Over everything
I will trust, I will sing.
of your faithfulness.
You are strong, never weak.
You are all I need.
In the storm I believe.
You are with me.
I won't fear.
I won't run.
You have
Ready one.
victory is in your name.
Victory is in your name.
Forever I will praise. Forever I will praise. Break me, Lord, where I resist. Shape my heart, don't let me miss what you're doing deep in me. Set my spirit fully free.
Strip away my pride and fear. Every voice that's not from you. Let me hear your whisper clear. Lead me closer into truth. Mold me, make me, take my life completely. I am yours, I am yours. Mold me, shape me, let your spirit lead me. I am yours, I am yours. Not my will, but yours be done.
kutoka chini hadi juu. Ameniinua kwa nguvu. Nililia usiku mwingi,
lakini asubuhi imefika. Sasa naimba kwa furaha.